have always enjoyed my Judaism and take much pride in being Jewish. As a child, I went through Hebrew school and had basic education leading up to bat mitzvah. Later in life, I realized how important it was to understand and to be able to converse in such a wonderful native tongue. And the Rosen School has been a real benefit. For the past 2 years, we have been engaged with the most wonderful teacher, working together, and we're now able to converse briefly, although meaningfully, in Hebrew amongst ourselves and our classmates. The teacher is excellent, polite, and always interested in the personalities with whom she is dealing. It is a wonderful experience. I certainly recommend and encourage participation.